just finished cleaning. I took a shower. I got these 2 books. This one's a series. I do not know if the red one is a series. Looked it up. That this is the last one, the official. There's no more of these. So there's this Australian YouTuber I watch. Maybe I'll get those series that she has read. Have not got those. Gotten those. So this is the first one. Did not like it at all. This, I think this was the second one or this. I do not remember. But either one, I liked both of these. I enjoyed it. How in the world did I do that? And then this is the last one, sadly. And I only read chapter 1. And I am enjoying it. This, the author gave a disclaimer. Like, it talks about panic attacks and then, yeah, and some other stuff. I think this one also. I think she says it in almost every. And then this, she's a pop star. They meet, and then that's his sister. That's his sister. And then that's his sister. He's the only boy. Yeah. So now, I would like some book recommendations series, because as you can tell, I like the series book. But also, it doesn't have to be a series because I have read books that aren't. So, either or. It can be, what type of genre would you say this? Romantic, comedy type? Or it can be just comedy or horror or scary, thrilling, those type of books. So, I like those type of series books. Today, my mom's making breakfast and she's making tortilla, not a taco, a tortilla. That's what it's called. And then you put lechera. I showed you guys this a bunch of times. Oh well. She's making 2 different things. One is pancakes, and then the other one is tortilla. She hasn't made it yet, but I'm fine with that. Do that. I love what she makes. Tortilla. Tortas. When was the last time you made enchiladas?
I was thinking to make that today.
I just...
I've been wanting to make that.
And there's different variations of tortas, enchiladas.
They're making their sweet enchiladas.
And then the most common one, you know, people make at restaurants, it's not.
They're like a little bit, what do you call that?
Savory?
Spicy.
I said savory.
Yeah, but mine is like almost like type of mole. But it's sweet, but it's not that sweet.
Of course, I celebrated my mom's birthday, and she put all the balloons in one place. Flowers, and then all the balloons, and then it says happy birthday day, because the T is falling apart. Sopitos, I have no...
Sopitos de verdura.
Verdura?
Yeah, sopitos de verdura.
Verdura. Con carne. I don't have no salsa because I can't handle it, but my parents are having that. Guys, I'm gonna have you guys hear this crunch. It's good. I don't know if you got any because, yeah. Yum. Delicioso la comida. I don't know how to say today.
What?
The food today was good.
La comida de este día.
La comida este día es delicioso. My mom is making enchiladas. So she already got that, and I think that's also for enchiladas. And then this is where she's gonna cook it, of course. Mom, when was the last time you made it? She said a long time ago if you couldn't hear her. And not having this in years. So this is how it looks. Just how I remember in so many years.